And there goes the fucking boat.
Really? Did you go under?
I did. Boat didn't.
Jay,
Yeah.
are you okay?
Did you drown, Jay?
No, I didn't drown.
Sound like you drowned it.
No, I didn't drown. The boat did turn over.
Really? Boat's not sink, I take it. How'd you keep from losing all your stuff?
Well, luckily I'd already taken my backpack off, put it in the boat.
Ah,
Hey,
assuming that helped.
Yeah.
you got any antibiotics?
I do. Do you like some?
Maybe.
There you go, it's on the ground.
How much shit?
If I was you, John Michael, I'll be taking off your clothing and be drying it.
I'm just gonna dock here and wait.
Good grief, right there. Hi, John Michael. Excuse me, John Michael. I'm trying to move. I will punch you to. Okay, this is also my shirt, I think. Is. All these bridges wet. John Michael touched me, that's why.